As somebody who didn't know he was even going to be here for another season last year, how does camp feel to you so far?
It feels good, when it feels good when you sweat and you're working, and then you see all the other guys on your team working just as hard as you and going to the same thing you are. So it's a good feeling.
Talk about that, about what this team was able to accomplish as a unit in the off season. The fact that everybody was so committed to really making a change this year.
I mean, the off season is always a grind, but last year we let a couple games slip away, so that was kind of our focus on the off season. Finishing workouts, finishing runs. It's kind of compared to finishing the game.
We know what this offense can do. We know what you can do as a wide receiver. You really came on last year. What are some of the things that you were looking to improve upon going into this season?
Just route precision. Looking the ball in. I had a couple of big drops last year and a couple of critical games. So we just work on ball security. And like I said, finishing plays.
How long does it take for you and a guy like Ryan Lindley to get into a rhythm? Or is it something that just is always there since you guys have been, throwing and catching for so long together?
Well, it's one thing you have to work on. It'll come naturally, but it takes time, So I think that's the biggest thing for the wide receiver corps. Well, also Nico Sanford coming in, just the chemistry between us.
As a guy who has been here as long as you have, can you sense that a lot of guys are looking to you for leadership on this team?
Yeah, but I sense that a lot of guys have also stepped up. We have a lot of young guys that have a big voice on this team. So a lot of guys are stepping up.
DeMarco, is this football team going to surprise some people this year?
I hope so, man. That's what we work for. We don't like to hope. It's more like our will. We want to put our will on people. So it's like, we're working hard for a reason.